This is the first time we are using a mic.
Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while and I apologize for the delay. Today we are unboxing and testing the DJI Mic Mini, a compact wireless microphone made just for creators and vloggers. Let's see how it performs. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. The packaging is really good, feels premium, and everything is neatly placed. I have some paperwork, mic, and few stickers. The mic comes inside this pouch. We can keep the stickers, but don't really need the paperwork. Pouch itself has real good quality. It will keep the mic safe and it's super handy for traveling. The material feels so nice and you can see the branding on it. And the best part, the whole pouch fits right into your single palm. Now let's check out everything inside. First, the cable. It's a 3.5mm audio jack. This lets you connect the mic directly into your device. Next, the USB-C Y splitter charging cable. You can charge multiple devices at the same time. And this is the phone adapter. Tiny, compact, and easy to carry. Then we have the windshield or wind muff, which reduces the wind noise. I like the white and black combination. Looks clean. Here is the receiver. It fits perfectly into the phone and doesn't get in the way while recording. It has LED indicators, a couple of buttons, and a small wheel to adjust the volume or gain. There's also a clip. The transmitter charges through its own port, while the receiver connects directly via cable. The transmitter is really small and compact. It has a clip on the back plus a magnet, so you can attach it to your clothes or anywhere easily and securely. I really like this design. It's better than the previous version. I always keep the silica gel from the packages. It helps keep things dry. Now, let's try the mic. Let's switch on the transmitter. It's quite simple. It has only 2 buttons. And after that, we can connect the adapter to the receiver. This is where the adapter connects. Just slide into that port. It's very easy to connect to a phone. Once it's connected, it pairs automatically with the transmitter. Just plug and play.
Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing Wizard. This is the first time we are using a mic. Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing Wizard. This is the first time we are using a mic. That was not bad. That was not bad.
With the min muff on, it looks a little different. The black part isn't bad at all, but I still like the black and white design. Let's charge the mic. The magnet sound when it clicks in place is actually satisfying. And there you have it, the DJI Mic Mini. Subscribe for more and I will see you in the next one.